Hey folks, I recently just did a video about bird watching on a TGI Friday. And looky here, right after I finished uploading that video, there's a partner came along to prowl around, see what they can find. So what do you think? Are they pecking for remnants of what the squirrel left behind? Squirrels, plural? Oh my gosh, they're like literally right outside my driver's door. How cool is this? Somebody, I'm going to try and zoom in. Somebody please identify this bird for me. What type of bird is that? Wow. See what we can see over here. That was not facing us. But wow. Look at that. For now, we're going to call them G-Money birds. That's right. Let nature soothe your soul. Get out to nature. Enjoy it. Never know what you're going to see.